Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new One UI 8.5 crazy good lock features for your Galaxy devices. So let's begin. Okay guys, first look at this new Home Up in large folder feature. Simply go to Good Lock, go to Home Up, turn on Home Up, home screen and scroll down. Look at this large folder. Simply turn on large folder. Go to large folder. Look at this medium large folder. You set folders. Simply tap on custom. And guys, you set Oxygen OS 16 style vertical and horizontal folder like this. Look at this. I have OnePlus device with Oxygen OS 16 and you also set vertical and horizontal folder type like Oxygen OS 16 on your One UI 8.5. And guys, you set glassy look on your folder. Simply go to setting and set opacity like this. And look at this glass look completely on your app folder. Now Edge Lightning. Guys, after One UI 8.5 update, some new Edge Lightning add on this update. Look at this. Simply go to custom style and simply tap on plus button and new Edge Lightnings add like this. Simply tap on color. You also set color. Go to advanced. You also set effect like this. Now Game Booster. Guys, after One UI 8.5 update, Samsung add extra new options in Game Booster. Look at these. Game control key mapping, gamepad touch mapping, CPU and GPU settings, game category setting, aim assist, game intro fast forward. Look at this. You also set gamepad touch mapping one by one, CPU and GPU settings in separate games, game category setting, aim assist. You also set aim assist in shooting games and game intro fast forward. Now Navstar. Guys, now you set custom side back gesture icon from gallery and many preset custom gesture icons also add after One UI 8.5 update. Simply select anyone and look at this. Look at this guys. Back gesture icon. Or if you want to select from gallery like this and look at this back gesture, custom icon, apply, and you also set back gesture sensitivity, gesture handle and navigation buttons. So this is some new One UI 8.5 good lock features for your Galaxy devices. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.